In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PeopleGraph in Excel. If you've ever wanted to turn simple counts into a clean, icon-based infographic right inside your worksheet, PeopleGraph is a quick and friendly way to do it. It's great for showing totals by category, like head counts by department or survey responses by group, and it updates as your data changes. Start in Excel with your workbook open. Look toward the ribbon and open the Add-ins experience. In most versions, you'll find this from the Insert tab under Get Add-ins or simply Add-ins. If you're prompted to sign in or allow the Office store, go ahead. This is just Excel connecting to the catalog so you can install trusted add-ins. In the Add-ins window, use the search box and type PeopleGraph. You should see it appear in the results. Take a second to confirm you've got the right one by glancing at the description and publisher information, then proceed. Searching is helpful because the catalog holds many add-ins, and typing the exact name brings it up immediately. Select PeopleGraph to open its details and then click to add it to your workbook. Excel may ask you to accept permissions, which simply allows the add-in to run within your sheet. After that, a sample PeopleGraph appears on the canvas. Think of this as a placeholder ready to be wired to your own data. From here, you can connect it to a small, tidy table, typically one column for categories and one for values. Use the Add-in Settings pane or gear icon to choose your data range, then watch the graphic update. You can switch icon styles, adjust colors, and set how many units each icon should represent, which keeps the graphic readable even with larger numbers. If your values change later, refresh the add-in or simply edit the linked cells and the graphic will reflect the updates. A few practical tips help the result shine. Keep category names short so labels don't crowd the graphic. Limit the number of categories so each group remains distinct. If numbers vary widely, consider changing the value per icon setting to prevent walls of tiny figures. And if you need to present this, resize the PeopleGraph like any other object and add a clear title so your audience understands what the icons represent. That's all there is to it. Open add-ins, search for PeopleGraph, and click to add. With a few quick adjustments, you can turn raw counts into a polished visual story right inside Excel,